So just amazing. Look, Kong Armor, lifetime deck armor system. Okay, thick build, 30 to 60 times thicker than thin residential deck paints and stains. This is a coating system that's going into its second year. So we're back this year for annual cleaning. This coating system, Kong Armor, it comes with lifetime service and lifetime warranty. One of those things that it comes with is annual cleanings. We're here this year. We've cleaned the system. It's going into its second, actually, it'll be going into its third year of existence. This is its second year. It cleaned up well this year. Doesn't even need any touch-ups or anything at all, period. Super tough film. This was a rescue, so we rescued this. It did have peeling behr Deckover. The color differentiation that you're seeing is water, but just an amazingly tough lifetime deck armor system here. This is in Milford, Ohio, just outside of Cincinnati. To learn more about Kong Armor, how you can get a lifetime deck armor system and never go through completely painting or staining your deck system again, visit kongarmor.com right now. See ya.